Welcome to 6981 Upper Cambridge Way in the beautiful Cambridge Crossing community. This is located in Genoa Township with Westerville Schools. Come on inside and let's take a tour. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths and 1 half bath, a 2-car garage, and over 2,800 square feet of living space above grade. It was built in 2003 and it was the model home for the community. It features soaring spaces from the 2-story entryway through the large great room with a beautiful wall of windows and a 3-sided fireplace. This home has hard floors throughout most of the main floor. As we move into the kitchen from the great room, there's a door that leads onto the back deck and patio, the perfect area for entertaining in the spring, summer, and fall in the beautiful central Ohio weather. The 3-sided fireplace makes not only the great room warm and welcoming, but also the kitchen. There's a casual dining space with a bay window, and that looks out onto some beautiful fluffy pear trees. The sellers tell us that they smell just divine in the spring. This kitchen features a gorgeous granite, a tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, including a French door refrigerator. This is a gourmet kitchen that you're going to love cooking and entertaining in. This dining room is light-filled and bright during the day, and it's dramatic and beautiful at night. It's the perfect spot for gathering with family and friends for parties or just having your family for dinner. This home has the perfect work-from-home space. It has French doors for privacy and is light-filled and bright with beautiful views of the front garden. Here we are in the spacious owner's suite. It has a vaulted ceiling, a fan and light fixture, beautiful wood flooring, and an ensuite bath with granite counters and 2 vessel sinks. Very nice tile work around the jetted tub and large glass shower. A walk-in closet and water closet complete this beautiful space. Upstairs, we have a huge family room. It has cathedral ceilings and a beautiful palladium window, bringing in wonderful light in this space. 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a loft is the perfect reading nook for enjoying a good book. The lower level space of this home has just over 200 square feet with an exercise room and potentially an art studio and a full bath. There's ample storage space left over, along with being in a great location. This home in Cambridge Crossing is located near Westerville City Schools, House Elementary, Genoa Middle School, and Central High School. The home is near parks and the bike trail, as well as being close to dining, shopping, and other entertainment. Only about 10 minutes to Polaris Parkway or into uptown Westerville. The home is also close to 71 and 270 for commuting around Central Ohio. Only about 20 minutes to Easton or the John Glenn International Airport, and downtown Columbus is only 25 minutes away. You're going to love living in the wonderful community of Westerville and all it has to offer. Please give us a call for a private tour anytime. We look forward to seeing you soon.